Assalamualaikum to the Miss Amira. My name is Noraina Shazwani binti Muid. So today I will present about my infographic equities trading report. Okay, for the executive summary, the first one, these trading games enable me to learn investment operation in the real situation. The second one, I also learn how to apply the portfolio management strategies when trading. The third one, I also seek a knowledge regarding trading tips and tricks. And the last one, I also get to know which the profitable company and unprofitable company with the current situation. Okay, next on the grading on total profit. So the model given at the first before the trading started with 1 million each person. So during the last day of the competitions, I'm able to accumulate the value to RM 1,104 with 53 traded stunts. So meanwhile, the total profit gain from the trading was RM 1,130. The company that has given me a huge return is Edaran company. And the highest return that I get is 1,040 ringgit. As mentioned on the previous slide, based on my trading experience, the most profitable share was investment made in Edaran Berhad. I gained large amount of profit from the investment compared to others company as I made a large amount of investment. So investment in Edaran Berhad enabled me to purchase more unit as its price is traded below 1 ringgit Malaysia, which is between 53 sen and 91 sen. Thus, it allowed me to buy more unit and gain a lot of profit from the investment. My highest profit was gained from this company by RM 1,040 ringgit. High risk, high return is a sentence that we often heard, but in trading stock, reality. Sometimes the trader will probably be facing a loss during trading instead of gaining a profit. Malaysia Pacific Industry is the most unprofitable company when trading, which is I unable to gain a returns from this company and got a loss by RM 430 ringgit. Fundamental analysis on the Edaran Berhad company. So Edaran Berhad is an investment holding company engaged in the provision of management services. So this company segment include the information technology and also the services, telecommunications, investment holdings, lifestyles and manufacturing. Other than that, Edaran Berhad, an investment holding company, engaged in the installment, commissioning, integrations and maintenance of information technology products and also related services in Malaysia and Brunei. During COVID-19 phenomenon, Edaran stock remains its positive momentum, which is up 5.5 sen and 59.5 sen. Other than that, Edaran Berhad become profitable company on this year at 10.9% on 31 March 2021. Next, Malaysia Pacific Industry Berhad is an investment holding company. So the principal activities engaged by its subsidiaries are of that the manufacturing, assembling, testing and sales of integrated circuits, semiconductor devices, electronics components and lead frames to the customer across the world. Other than that, the company segments are Asia, the United States of America, USA, and Europe. Malaysia Pacific Industry is expected to maintain the double-digit US dollar sales growth in the financial year ending June 2022, driven by robust demand for the power management chips for electronic vehicles and data center. Next, the technical strategy that I'm used to identify the stock price for both companies, which is for Edaran Berhad and also for Malaysia Pacific Industry Berhad, are the same strategy, which is on volume, stochastic, moving average, support and resistance, MACD, and also the last one, Bollinger Bands. So next is the workable strategy is a moving average. These strategies tend to be a more stable indicator than other analysis tools, especially in simple moving average, because this strategy is to identify a break in price action as well as the general direction of the market. And then the unworkable strategy is the Bollinger Bands. This is because the Bollinger Bands reflect the past performance, which can make them difficult to use for identifying the trade opportunities yearly. This makes a Bollinger Band most useful when they are paired with other technical indicators. Next, the conclusion and the recommendation. The COVID-19 pandemic appears and many services sector, including the telecommunication and also the investment firm, were particularly also impacted, which is the demand could also strain the system and lead to the public perception issues. Other than that, the range of the cancellations of industry events indicates the sponsorships and also the networking have less business growth chances. My recommendation to investors who want to trade during the pandemic is to locate high quality companies and stick onto them for as long as possible, such as in the technology industry, which is the truly driving the future, and the most investor would be prudent to bet on it. Thank you.